Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Postal, and today at the grill I want to show you how to spatchcock a chicken for your next feast. And just like always, I'm going to put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to check down there to see everything that you need. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. Other than that, let's get into the cook. So the easiest way to spatchcock your chicken is by using some kitchen shears. That's what these are. If you don't have some shears, then a bread knife or any serrated knife works really well as well. So to spatchcock this chicken, essentially what we're going to be doing is removing this backbone section so that it can lay flat. And so grab your kitchen shears, and we're going to begin at the back end, and we're just going to cut along either side of the backbone, removing it. There's one side. So this is the backbone that we just removed. Don't throw it away. Put it in a pot, make some stock for your next soup or gravy, whatever you want to use it for, but don't throw it away. It's good meat. The next thing that we need to do is get this bird laying flat, and you can do it two ways. The first way is by taking a knife and slicing along this cartilage, exposing that keel bone that runs through here, and then just taking your fingers and prying that out. But the simplest way, and the way that I always do it, is I place the breast facing up, and then with the palm of my hand, I press down firmly on the breastbone just to crack that. When you do it this way, what you'll hear is a crack, and this is just the breastbone breaking, which helps this chicken lay completely flat. The next thing that you can do is just go in with your shears and just clean up any of this large fat deposits, because we don't need that. Then the last thing that you're going to do is clean up the wings. You can either snip them here or just tuck them in and around the breast. And with that, your chicken is spatchcocked, ready to be seasoned and thrown on the grill. So that's how you spatchcock a chicken for your next family dinner. Hey, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. Other than that, we'll see you next time.